The vertices of a quadrilateral are 3, -2, -3, 4, 1, 8 and 7, 4. Prove that the line joining the midpoint of the sides of a quadrilateral in the same order form a parallelogram. Let it is quadrilateral and the point taken in order is 3, -2, -3, 4, 3, -2, -3, 4. C is 1, 8 and D is 7, 4. Now midpoint of these sides are P, Q, R and S, and we have to prove that the line joining the midpoint of the sides, in the line joining the midpoint of the side is PQ, QR, RS and PS is form a parallelogram. Means we have to show that PQ, QR, RS and SP form a parallelogram. Means PQRS is a parallelogram. For it, firstly we find the midpoint of side AB, which is P, midpoint of BC, which is Q, midpoint of DC, which is R, and midpoint of DA, which is S. After that we find the distance between PQ, QR, RS and SP, and if the opposite sides are equal, means PQ equal SR and PS equal RQ, then it is a parallelogram. Let the midpoint, let ABCD is a quadrilateral and point P, Q, R and S are the midpoint of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Now coordinate of point P, or point P is x1 plus x2 by 2, means -3 plus 3 by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2 means -2 plus 4 by 2, that is 0, 2. It is point D. Point P is 0, 2. Coordinate of point Q, point Q is the midpoint of side BC. Then we apply x1 plus x2 by 2 means -3 plus 1 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 means 4 plus 8 by 2, that is -1 plus 3 by 2 is -2 by 2 means -1, 8 plus 4 by 2 means 12 by 2, which is 6. It is point Q. Now coordinate of point R, R is the midpoint of side DC and coordinate of D is 7, 4 and C is 1, 8. Then we apply x1 plus x2 by 2 means 7 plus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, 4 plus 8 by 2. Then coordinate of midpoint is 7 plus 1 by 2 means 8 by 2, which is 4. 8 plus 4, 12 by 2 is 6. Similarly, coordinate of point S is x1 plus x2 by 2. S is the midpoint of AD means x1 3 plus x2 is 7 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Then it is 3 plus 7 means 10 by 2, 5 minus 2 plus 4, 2 by 2, which is n, which is 1. Now coordinate of point P is 0, 2, Q is minus 1, 6, R is 4, 6 and S is 5, 1. And now we have to find the distance between PQ, QR, RS and SP. Then length of side PQ is the distance between point P 0, 2 and Q minus 1, 6. We have minus 1 minus 0 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we have 1 plus 4 square means 16, it is square root 17. QR is minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 6 square. Then we have 25 and it is 5. RS (4 minus 5 square) plus 6 minus 1 square sorry, it is 4 minus 2 and this point is 0, 1. This point is 0, 1. Minus 2 plus 4 by 2 means 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Then it is 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is square and it is 25. Then square root 26. Now we have 1 plus 25. It is square root 26. Now RS and SP is distance between S and P, 5 minus 0 square and 1 minus 1 square. Then it is 25 means 5. It means PQ we have PQ equal RS and QR equal SP. Since opposite sides of quadrilateral PQRS are equal, then it is a parallelogram.